Air travel generates negative externalities such as environmental pollution and health issues stemming from greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating climate change. Notably, these costs remain unaddressed in ticket pricing. Moreover, noise pollution from airports poses significant health risks to nearby residents, reflecting another social cost that airlines overlook in their operations. Additionally, congestion caused by high air traffic results in inefficiencies and delays at airports, further contributing to market failures within the air travel industry. The externalities from air travel adversely affect both the environment and public health, further emphasizing the market failures present. This situation indicates a pressing need for resource reallocation. In the airline industry, social welfare often remains suboptimal, as airlines prioritize profits over social costs. Therefore, a balanced approach is essential to rectify these disparities. The gap between private marginal cost and social marginal cost signifies the external costs endured by society. Airlines frequently neglect these factors, distorting ticket pricing and consumption patterns. On the other hand, the marginal social benefits of air travel, including convenience, trade, and tourism, collectively enhance societal welfare and economic growth. Recognizing these benefits is crucial for airlines. The socially optimal level of output is achieved when marginal social cost aligns with marginal social benefit, directly influencing flight frequency and ticket pricing in the market. Marginal external costs, such as air and noise pollution, impose additional burdens on society that ticket prices often fail to reflect, highlighting the need for government intervention to ensure equitable pricing. Air pollution and emissions from aircraft greatly contribute to greenhouse gases like CO2, critical factors behind global warming and climate change, which airlines frequently overlook. To internalize the external costs incurred by airlines on society, government interventions such as carbon taxes and airport charges are vital. These measures aim to incorporate true environmental costs in air travel pricing. Regulations targeting emissions and noise pollution can substantially alleviate negative impacts on surrounding communities. Stricter standards and flight restrictions are essential for balancing operational demands with social welfare. Subsidies for clean technology serve as incentives for airlines to invest in fuel-efficient aircraft and alternative energy sources, effectively reducing their environmental footprint and lowering the social marginal cost of air travel. Furthermore, public awareness campaigns play a pivotal role in raising consciousness about the environmental impacts of flying. Promoting alternatives such as rail travel or video conferencing can help diminish air travel demand. Taxes, including carbon and fuel taxes, can effectively elevate air travel expenses to mirror its true social costs, potentially curbing consumption. Nonetheless, these measures may disproportionately burden lower-income travelers. The significance of internalizing external costs emerges as a key advantage of government intervention, ensuring airlines consider broader environmental impacts in their pricing strategies. Promoting cleaner technologies through subsidies and emissions trading schemes can stimulate innovation and sustainability within the airline sector, effectively addressing environmental challenges. Lastly, implementing regulations aimed at reducing congestion can lead to more efficient air travel operations, minimizing delays and enhancing the overall travel experience for consumers.